Welcome to Delish Food channel. Today I'll be showing you tomato chutney, or sometimes it is called tomato BHAJI. For this I have taken 4 medium sized tomatoes. I have chopped it finely. You can chop them roughly also. For 4 medium sized tomatoes I have taken 2 medium sized onions. Finely chopped. You can chop them roughly also. Then into this I am going to take finely chopped 6 to 7 garlic pods which I have finely chopped. Then this is ½ inch ginger finely chopped. 1 green chilli. It is spicy, that is why I have taken only 1. If you want you can have more. Then this is the spring onion greens which I have finely chopped. This is not compulsory, this is optional. Then here I have taken some curry leaves. Now into this chutney I am going to add a coarse powder of peanuts, roasted peanuts. Okay, now let us begin to make this chutney. Okay, now into this I am going to add ½ teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then let them crackle. Then 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. And I am going to also add ASAFOETIDA. 1/4 teaspoon. This gives a very good taste to the chutney. Now into this I am going to add this finely chopped ginger, garlic as well as ginger, and saute them for some time. Lower the gas flame. mix it, and I'm also going to add some finely chopped coriander, freshly chopped. Okay, and this goes well with roti, paratha, bhakri, rice, even your what you call pulao, everything. And if you don't have any of these, you can simply have this with roti or bread, and it can be prepared in 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'll serve this into the bowl. Here my tomato chutney or bhaji is ready. If you are still new onto my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Do like today's video and do share this video with your family and friends as much as possible, and try making it. It tastes really good, and this chutney can be stored into the fridge minimum for a week. It stays. Try making it. Thank you.